G'day guys, well here we are in George's car, and I've commandeered George because he's got an unfair advantage. He's got a heater in his boat. So today we're going to go down to BCF and buy ourselves a heater so we can go out at night.
So it's a portable diesel heater.
And you get, how many litres of diesel does it take?
4 litres of diesel, and usually that would almost run like 16 hours.
Yeah.
Like, and it doesn't use much power.
Yeah.
The only thing you need the power for is because it's got a built-in fan in there.
Yeah.
And it works like a ducted heater kind of thing. It's got a duct that comes out of it, and you could put it wherever you want to keep you warm. And yeah, no, they're awesome, man. I highly recommend them.
Yeah.
There's cheaper brands out there.
There's a few important things. Obviously, you don't want the fumes coming back into your boat, otherwise it can hurt you.
Yeah, but saying that, there's not really much fumes.
Nah, you'll kill yourself. So.
No, you will. Don't get me wrong. No, you're right. But I'm just saying, like, this unit, like, you won't even realise that it's on.
Yeah.
Like, you don't get that fume smell and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? But it is out there. Because
we're going to make an exhaust, and I'm going to make it so you just lift it into your boat.
The limit is 70 kilometers per hour.
Thanks, love. And we're going to make the so you lift in, put it in, go out in the winter, and then lift out, so it doesn't take up. It's just like a portable thing.
Yep.
There's a bit of setup, so we're going to go through all the process. I don't know the process, he does, and I'll show you where we're going. We're going down to BCF. We'll go see Nick if he's there, but he's probably not there today.
He's probably out there fishing.
He's probably out in the comp.
Yeah.
And so far in the comp, I've had 2 trips for 2 donuts. One trip was a bit of a disaster. The wind was horrendous and I couldn't fish the area I wanted to, but Georgie, you've got 3 on the board, and that's a pretty unbelievable start to this comp for July. And yeah,
like, I'm over the moon that I got those fish.
You would be.
But don't get me wrong, I'm still trying to upsize.
Yeah. He might not catch another fish for the entire comp.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's the thing with July snapper. They are not easy. I know a lot of good fishermen who have never caught a July snapper, and it's very hard. It took me a long time to get my first July snapper. Here's BCF. I've got me slippers on. That's how you roll in winter.
Diesel heater?
Yeah, what's the model?
It's the portable one.
Gasmate one?
Gasmate?
Yeah.
Can you hook us up?
Yeah, maybe. I think we've got some. Yeah.
Have you had a crack at the snapper comp yet?
No, not yet, mate.
No.
I haven't had a chance to get out between work
I
and...
didn't scare you, did I?
Hey? Yeah, that's it.
So Nick's going to take us down and we'll go and have a look.
Is this going on the boat or something, is it?
This is going on YouTube.
No, the heater.
Yeah, so
that's what I've got on my
this is George's secret weapon. Because,
yeah. Is this how you catch all the big fish, mate?
Well, it seems like there's a night bite.
Oh, yeah?
And I can't get it at night because I freeze.
Oh, this will sort you out, mate.
Yeah, I can handle it to about... So is that what we're chasing?
No, is it that one? Yes, that one.
That one? Oh. Yeah.
That's the 4 litre, is it? Yeah?
Yeah, 4.25 litre diesel. Yeah, that's the one, mate.
That's the one.
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
No worries, boys.
Too easy. You can carry it up there.
Yeah, I'll carry it up there. All customer service here at BCF Frankfurt, mate.
Yeah. Better pop in and get some Reedys there, George.
Yeah. So, you've got that one, which is an Anderson that goes onto your battery.
Oh, is that Anderson the battery?
Yeah.
We need to get it.
So it's an Anderson plug.
I need to ring the big Grant. Yeah.
Yeah. So you need an Anderson plug somewhere, so you can plug this in.
Yeah. Go home and do that.
Heat that up.
All right. Thanks heaps, Nick.
Good luck, Reedy. Anytime. Thanks, mate. I appreciate it. I think I need it.
Good luck.
Thanks, man.
See you, mate.
See you, boys.
buddy. Cheap.
All right, so we're gonna go over to Super Cheap now, do we?
Yep.
All right. We've got to get some. We've got to go get some. What is it?
It's the cloth that goes around. The cloth that goes around the exhaust pipe, so you don't burn yourself on the exhaust pipe.
Because we want to be very safe doing this, so
yeah,
we're going to go get some stuff from Super Cheap. So the other reason they use diesel is because it's not combustible, is it?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah. So
safety first.
Yeah, safety first, and we're going to wait till about 10 o'clock, and if there's enough people down at the Hastings ramp, we're going to take them some pizzas, aren't we, George?
Yeah, we sure are.
Yeah. Going to Bunnings to get some other stuff, because there's a little bit we have to do, preparation.
But once it's all done, it's plug in and forget.
Yeah. Well, that's a few of the boys have got the diesel heaters, haven't they? Jace has got one.
Yeah, Jace, but he's got a different model than what I've got.
Yeah. I recommend getting don't try and cut costs and get a TMU one, because it'll just be.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I haven't used them. I wouldn't have a clue.
Nah,
but
you want, when you're doing stuff like this, you want quality.
I always get the best of the best. So
yeah, because you end up paying in the long run. Although Jace's has lasted for.
No, see, Jace's is different. It's not portable. It's actually a mounted one.
Oh, okay.
So he can't take it out of the boat and put it back in.
Yeah, okay.
Which his is still a good one, but if you want that portable setup,
yeah, I want the portable.
This is the best way.
Yeah. But he's got a big charter boat, so his is different.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah. Where mine's just a little skid mark boat.
Yeah.
For running around the bays.
Still does the job.
I love my boat.
Yeah.
I'm not knocking my boat. We might even get a sausage sizzle. This video is sponsored by Yummy's Pizza. Right guys, so what we've got here is a 20mm pipe that connects into a 20mm elbow into the actual unit, and then we've gone to Bunnings. We've got Anderson plug, then we've got the protectors, we've got some cable, and then what's this, George? We've got exhaust wrap, so you don't get, because that heats up.
Yep.
So we've got this,
so you don't burn yourself.
Don't burn yourself, and we want to make it so we can lift the, like, we don't want it staying in the boat. I just want it in there on when I'm going to fish on a cold winter's night, and like bait fishing, like gummy sharks or snapper. You put this in the boat, lift it in, lift it out when I get home. So that's, put that over there. We're gonna mount this somehow, just like, because we don't want this to be amateur hour.
That's it.
Oh, so is that how it is? That's not very good.
Yeah, hang on.
Hot rivet. There you go. So we'll just hot riveted there, mounted it here.
Pop rivet on the other side.
Hot riveted on the other side. So that's the exhaust vent. So we just put some exhaust wrap, because this heats up and you don't want to burn yourself. So, and then we're going to run this. It's rated to 50 degrees. 60 degrees Celsius. Kinetic pipe. So that's just going to run outside the boat. We'll just, so it's just sit somewhere.
Hang on.
Let's get it right.
Yep. That's it.
Alright, so now that's done, pretty simple. We're going to mount these flush mount, and they'll come in handy for other things as well. Lone Star's brought out some new reels, so when I go offshore, when I go deep dropping in this, I can just plug into
your Anderson plug,
Yeah,
and you got electric reels.
yeah.
So you only need one. You don't need two.
They don't even fit. A Anderson plug, and why he's doing that, the Anderson plug didn't come with a cover, so I'm going to 3D print a cover. So I just download it like this. There's the file, and you can just search up anything and 3D print whatever you want. So there it is there. Copy that onto my 3D printer, which is over here. Pretty sure that's it. No, that one. So I paste it in here in the 3D printer. Take that out, plug it into here, fire up the 3D printer. This is just finishing off the cover for the Anderson plug. There's the cover. Turn him off. See you, son. So there you go. That's the Anderson plug cover. It'll match the white, so it just plugs it. Can't be bothered jumping in my boat, but it just goes on. Alright, there you go, guys. Got a we just installed a Anderson plug, and I can run that anywhere, and we've got that hose so all the carbon monoxide's going outside the boat.
Set up like me, man.
Yep. Just seeing how much it will heat up the zone. It's a pretty big cabin though, eh?
It heats it up. Like if you put your hand out here, just put your hand here.
Yeah.
Can you feel it?
Yeah. Give it a few minutes, it'll... You can just warm it up there, like it'll be...
Even if you're sitting by yourself, like if you're out there by yourself, I would fucking put it in.
If you wanted to go right on with it,
like that.
if I wanted to go right on, I could put a sheet here and you'll be steaming up.
Come sit in my seat.
Yeah.
Go sit in that seat.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's that's so good, man. Yeah. Now I know what you're all talking about.
Yeah.
Everyone's been telling me to get a heater, and I just said nah. But now I know what they're talking about.
Do you understand when I say once you get an anchor winch,
Yeah.
you'll never go to pulling up anchor anymore?
Yeah.
Once you get a diesel heater,
Look out.
look out.
Alright guys, well that's a video. That's how George fishes in the winter, and a few other people. I'm not that old yet, but now I am. So yeah, but that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.